Welcome to Imaging World 2025, the heartbeat of innovation, creativity, and the future of imaging.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm limitless. Yeah, I'm get out the way. I ain't thinking. Yeah, that's right.
And our photographers explain the end users of how to use the camera to get the best picture, the best result.
Awesome.
It's incredible.
It's really fantastic.
Do my thing. Watch me do my thing. I'ma do my thing.
Yes, I think the success in the first year already shows that this is really a future-proof project.
Yeah.
Well, creators can grow here by getting inspired.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity to really gather them together on this festival. They can exchange their experience.
Ist super, die Messe. Wir sehen sehr viele schöne Dinge, die man sonst normalerweise nicht in die Hand kriegt.
We also see that here at the show, there are many young people, social media connected people, and we are very happy to reach them here.
Really great positive energy, and what's really nice is that the energy is coming from all different generations.